What's up guys, welcome back to another video. So now that the front end for the S14 is pretty much put all back together, I can start on the wheels. So I do have a couple of boxes that just came in from VR, and I've been waiting for these things to come in since April. So they finally just got here. I'm gonna start unboxing everything, but I do want to redo the faces. Originally I was just gonna slap everything together and call it a day, but I thought since all the hardware, the lips and the inner barrels are both gonna be brand new, I kind of wanted to go the extra step and just kind of make it as nice as possible. So I'm gonna strip the wheels and repaint them. I'm probably gonna go with silver because it's the nicest on my car, I feel like. So that's pretty much the plan for right now. I almost forgot how bust these wheels are. So I have everything cleaned off, ready to go. So all I have to do is start laying some primer down. boxes are prepped and ready to go. I kind of forgot how much work went into the chrome ones to get them smooth. I used some glazing putty just to make sure that all the cracks were filled. So these two I had to use the glazing putty on. For the powder coated ones, all I had to do was primer it. So those are ready. All I have to do now is start cleaning up the garage and setting everything up for paint. Do you think it's better or no? I already laid down the first layer of clear and I added some rainbow flake into it. I was gonna add some pink pearl and some gold pearl in it, like how the engine bay is, but I couldn't find the pigments, so I just put some flake in just to give it a little bit of something. So it's hard to tell on camera, but it looks nice. It's not too overpowering. It just gives it a little bit of shine. I used all the clear that I mixed in the last pass, so I have to mix some more, but I think one more heavy coat should do it, and then I can let these dry. Last coat. Coat of clear, and I tried to lay it down as thick as I could, and I think it turned out really good. So I'm just gonna let everything dry overnight, and then tomorrow we can start putting everything back together. But I guess we'll catch you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Peace out and stay good.